Welcome back to Treehouse Museum for another Treehouse Behind the Scenes. Once again, I'm here in our science exhibit. We call it the Science Circus, and we're getting ready for a new upgrade. Over the past few videos, we've been unboxing and revealing new exhibit components. Last time, we introduced you to this new exhibit component. It was waiting at the bottom of the stairs for its chance to come upstairs and be a part of the Science Circus exhibit. We asked you to be super sleuths, or to act like super spies, or super treehouse visitors, and figure out what it is that this exhibit does. Many of you sent interesting guesses, but the one that came closest was one that harkened back to a Magic School Bus episode where Miss Frizzle created a pinball machine that used light. Anyway, that was pretty close. So let's figure out what it really does. I guess we've got to figure out how to start it up. My guess, if I had to deduce, would be that we have to use one of these 3 red buttons to get it started. But which one should we do first? That one. All right, here goes. Look at that. When I pushed this button, it made a light on that little white thing right there. Oh, it's on my hand. Where's that coming from? Well, would you look at that? It's a laser. Okay, so the laser is on that little white thing. What happens if we turn it around? The laser's hitting right in the center of that mirror. But where's it going? It's hitting that white thing. That's also a mirror. Okay, what do we know so far? We know that the mirrors bend the laser light on this laser table, and that the mirrors on this table turn. But why? Did you notice all of the lights, like these, all over the table? What about these things? What do these things look like to you? Yeah, I think they look like targets. What if we try aiming some of the laser light with the mirrors? See if we can hit one of those targets. I can guess or deduce from what we know that if we hit the target with that laser light, at least one of those lights is bound to come on. What do you think? Let's try it. Here it goes. It's heading toward that target, and the light came on. So did another laser. Well, what happens if we make that laser hit this mirror? Oh yeah, and then hit this target. We made the green light go on. Of course, it looks like there are lots of different things that you can do with this, and lots more ways to make that happen. You're just going to have to come and try it yourself. Lasers, so cool. Maybe we should keep this a secret between us. Nah, we just can't wait until we get to see you here in person trying it out. Until then, bye. Treehouse Museum is in Ogden, Utah, but don't forget that you can visit Treehouse anytime online at treehousemuseum.org.